Alright, what's up everybody? So today we're going to be looking at how to make a hobo stove or a cat food can stove. These are very quick and easy to make, and they can actually come in handy if you're in a sticky situation. So all you're going to need for this project is some rubbing alcohol, a can of cat food, a screwdriver, a hammer, and some matches. These matches are in my weatherproof match jar. If you want to know how to make that, check the link in the bottom of the screen. As always, if you don't have any of this stuff, check the links in the description below. I've got links to everything you could need for this project. Once you have everything, you can get started. So the first thing you're going to do is open your can of cat food and get rid of the cat food. And then you're going to take the label off the outside. You don't want that burning or getting in the way. So now you have your nice little match jar. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take your screwdriver and your hammer and you're going to punch holes all around the outside of the match jar. So I would recommend putting the screwdriver on the inside and simply pounding it through into a piece of wood. So that will give you a nice hole in the jar. So then you screw around your screwdriver, widen that hole a little bit, and you've got one of the holes. So now you're just going to do that all the way around the jar. Alright, so I've punched holes all around the jar like that, and now you're pretty much ready to go. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take your rubbing alcohol, and you're just going to pour a little bit in there. Not much, because this stuff lasts pretty well. Now you're going to light your stove. Now to light this, it's not like gasoline, it's not going to blow up, but it will burn quite well. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your match and you're going to slowly touch it to the alcohol and let it ignite. So once your alcohol has lit, you're basically ready to go. So now you simply take your pot, you put it on top, and you're ready to start cooking. This works very well. The alcohol burns for quite a while, and the holes in the side are what allow the air to come in so that your stove doesn't go out. So there you go. That's how you make a hobo stove or a cat food can stove out of some super simple things you can find around your house or around any grocery store. If you like this video, check out my channel. I got tons of other things on there that are cool and unique. Hit that subscribe button, and have a great day.